If you work at a high performing restaurant that has name value that people recognize it instantly, make sure you're squeezing every ounce of being associated to that restaurant, like every little ounce, because you're doing yourself no favor by making that your entire life. And in fact, that's very toxic, unhealthy. You will burn out. You will quit in like 6 months. You have to latch onto a restaurant and from there do yourself a favor and create something for yourself, like some space for yourself, whether it's a YouTube channel, whether it's a podcast.
I started making a YouTube cooking show when I was executive sous chef at a restaurant in Europe. Like, that was freaking weird, man.
In hindsight, were you glad that you did that?
Oh my God. It completely transformed not just my career, but my life. Like, the opportunities to get to talk to people and help folks. There's a selfish element of like, I'm not in a kitchen prepping 30 kilos of cod every single day like I used to. But then there's also like the DMs I get, man, is just, I wouldn't trade it for the world. Like the people who get value from the stuff and step outside their comfort zone and do something that they didn't think was possible before, or they make the move to a city that they're really jazzed about, or they just made a really cool dish that finally made the menu. They've been on the sidelines for a while. Yeah, man, like no regrets, zero.
This is the key that I think a lot of people in our industry don't latch onto. You have to go the extra mile like you and I have.